to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Mini-O-Grabox from FACONN for January 2020. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly open it and see what all it has. But before that, let me tell you the price for this one. The price for Mini-O-Grabox is 299 rupees only. So it's very affordable. I will be mentioning the buying link in the description box. So yes, you can check the description box if you want to buy this box. Now let's quickly open it and see what all it has. So the first thing is this. This is the info sheet or card, whatever you want to say. It says January Mini-O-Grabox. On the other side, we have list of all the products. So let's start with the first one. The first one is by Angel Rose and this is the bronzing palette. This is the one. Let me quickly open it and show you. The shade for this one is shade. Okay, it has 6 different colors. The price for this one is 500 rupees and it has beautiful shades. Just have a look. It's so really beautiful. This pink is very nice, like 3 different colors of pink. You can say this is like more nudish. Then this is a brighter pink. Then this is a reddish kind of a pink. This is pure gold. Then silverish and rose gold. So this is a perfect palette, I guess. I really like it and I'm definitely looking forward to use this one for sure. 500 is the price and a beautiful palette. I really like this one. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is by YANSE and this is a rich color matte lipstick. This is the outer packing. The price for this one is 700 rupees. Very useful product and the shade number is 11. Name is Magic Maroon. The shade will be same for all the boxes and let me show you the shade. Okay, this is the shade. Let me just show you here on my hand. So it's beautiful reddish kind of a shade. 700 is the price. Now let's move on. The outer packing is really beautiful. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one is a nose pore cleanser strip. The price for this one is 30 rupees and it has only one strip, I guess. Yes, it says deep cleansing, instantly remove blackheads, absorb dirt and oil, unclog deep pores. Very useful product for me because I have lots of blackheads over my nose. So yes, I'm happy to receive it. A very, very, very useful product, at least for me. So yes, happy with this one. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is by FACONN and this is a herbal hair mask. This is how it looks. The price for this one is 250 rupees. The quantity is 60 grams. The manufacturer of where is the manufacturer? Okay, manufacturer of January 2018 and best before 3 years from the manufacturing date. It says this is a hair mask is best natural remedy to boost your hair growth. It restores moisture and enhance the texture and shine of the hair. So looks nice. It says you just have to mix this with water or curd and then you can apply it all over your hair. So looks nice and yes, I can use this for sure. 250 is the price for this one. Now I'm left with the last one and the last one is a jewelry. This is an oxidized black earring. The price for this one is 150 rupees and let me open it and show you. I have something similar to this one which I have got with my choker set. But these are really pretty and they will, like this color is black and oxidized silver, so of course they will go with everything, which is the best part about these earrings and they are super light. They are not too heavy on your ear. This is how they look. Let me wear the other one also. 150 is the price and this is the last product in the box. And of course, if you ask me, I love the box. First, the palette, very useful product. Then the lipstick, again, very useful product. Then I have this blackhead removing strip, which is again very useful because I have lots of blackheads, and then hair mask and the earrings. So overall, a very good box. And as usual, Mini-O-Grabox is just great. So yes, I loved it. And if you ask me, yes, you can go ahead and buy this box. So that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.